right here I have the engineering sample. This is our VGA with audio, short distance UTP extender. The part number is the R02S-EXT-35A-202. Now, this unit has the 2 local outputs and 2 extended outputs. Now, for this unit, I will be using a laptop as my VGA source, and I have 4 monitors, 2 for local, 2 for remote. Now, this unit also has EID, and for EID, you will want to learn by plugging into the input, which I'll show you later. But as to what monitor to use, you should use the lowest resolution monitor that's going to be in this system. In my case, I will be using the Dell, since the maximum can go to 1080, and the rest can also do 1080. So I'll be using a Dell in my case. So additionally, since it's short distance, the maximum length we can support up to is 150 meters, which is around 500 feet, roughly. So I'll be using a 500 feet skew-free cable, and the maximum resolution for that is 1024 by 768 for 150 meters. Now, so let me get started with the connection. So, first thing I will do will read the EID, and to do that, I'm going to choose a VGA cable from the Dell monitor. And first of all, I plug in the VGA monitor, and secondly, I plug in the power. Now, once I plug the power, you notice the red light comes on, and then the orange light comes on later. The orange light is the EID, meaning EID has been read. Now, once you do that, you're ready to use it. So you just unplug the monitor, still keeping the power on though. And then you need to start just plugging in the computer one, and also the VGA output to the monitors. Also have audio connected on there, because I'm going to show you audio, because this has audio too. So here you go, plugged in. If I go to system properties and use the screen resolution, oh, by the way, I'm using Windows 7 here, so I'll put this based on Windows 7's configuration. I go screen resolution. You'll notice right now only the 2 monitors are up. That's because I have set it as show only desktop 2. And if I hit identify, you know which is desktop 2. So here you'll notice over here, I have it on Dell U2212, which is the monitor that was red. Now let me change it to 1024/768, because I will be using the longest distance we could do, which is 150 meters, and at that length we only go up to 1024/768. So hit apply. Key changes. So I have it set on here. The monitor reads it differently, but I have it set on 1024/768. Now, if I go through the video card things, I can do here. Go through the video card I'm using is AMD, or the Intel one, the Intel graphics. And scaling has, I will hit scale full screen. So here you go. Actually, this is how you're used to seeing it, 1024/768. Okay. Now, the local side is done. Now, to show you audio, let me do real quick. So it does have audio. Let me find the music file. And here you go. I have it so far connected. I have the speakers connected to output 1, and this is what you're hearing. And let me unplug it. Put the output 2. Unplug it. Back to output 1. So it does have audio. And let me turn that off. Turn the speakers off. It's still connected though. Now I'm going to actually do the remote side. So remote side, I get my cable, plug it in. There's no to it. On the other end. Same thing, again, I plug in the power, then I plug in the cables, VGA cables. I plug in the UTP cables first, then the power, then the VGA cables. And then lastly the power. And then you will see, give it a while to detect, the monitor to wake up. Both monitor comes up with audio. So let me do the audio, mute this audio. So if I show you right here, let me mute one of them. Here, this one's muted, audio coming out from here. Now these are, and then mute this one, comes from here. You mute both of them. I'll try to mute both of them. Now these have audio because they're TV monitors, so they have speakers built in. And if I unmute it, you hear the music coming out. So you mute it back again. Now another thing you will notice here is this will be different from our previous units. Is the EQ. The EQ, we took out there's no more gain, and it's all in one version. So EQ. And also you check, and so let me start adjusting it. Right now I have it set at the perfect resolution. Perfect EQ is 7 right now, and you see the pictures are pretty quick, the words are clear. Now if I change it to something else, to like 0, you see it ghosting. 1, same thing. 2, it's a little bit better, and gradually gets better and better. Until I hit to 7, where you see everything better, crisp. You see actually words without ghosting. Now this is again. Let me tell you again. This is going roughly around 150 meters, and with all 4 monitors, all 4 with video and audio, or I have muted right now, but. Unmute that and play again. So all 4 audio with video and going 150 meters with at the maximum resolution that we support with 150 meters is 1024-768, which I have selected here. You look at the test pattern. That's what it shows up here. The test pattern. And also read the EDID. Like I said, read the ID. Let me go back to the system properties screen. Right here, identify as monitor 2, and you see a red this monitor's EDID.